tomorrow. Our Diploma in Fire and Safety Management is a career-focused program designed for individuals who want to work in one of world's most critical sector, industrial and workplace safety. Learn how to prevent disasters, manage emergencies, and lead safety operations with confidence. Here's what you will get: fire prevention techniques, first aid and rescue training, safety audits and risk assessment, hazard management, disaster preparedness, plus hands-on real-life simulation and certification that make you job ready. After this course, you can work as a fire safety officer, industrial safety supervisor, safety inspector at airports, rail fairs, hospitals, construction sites, and more. The demand is growing, and so are the opportunities. Why Vivekananda College of Skill Development? Because we offer expert faculty with field experience, practical training facilities, 100% career support, and environment that builds confidence and competence. Ready to ignite your career in fire and safety management? Enroll now at Vivekananda College of Skill Development and take the first step towards a safer future for you and for others. Thank you.